Hello people, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to create our first forex account as a beginner using Exness as a broker. So stick and stay and don't go anywhere. Now in my previous video I mentioned that a broker acts like a middleman that places the trade on your behalf on the market. All right, so this is the forex broker, which acts like a middleman to the forex market. It is like that because you cannot place trades directly on the forex market. So that is the reason why forex brokers are very important. Now the broker that I'm going to recommend to you is called Exness. It is a very good broker. I've used them ever since I started my forex journey and I have no issues with them. So that is the reason why I'm recommending Exness. I have not been paid by them to do this. I'm just recommending them because they are good. Now let's see how you can create an account with Exness. It's a very simple and easy to understand process. Let's do this. Now what you have to do is to go to your favorite browser and then go to google.com and then type in Exness, Exness, and then search for it. All right, so the first result that usually comes is an ad. Don't use that one, use this one. Okay, Exness, trade online with a leading trading broker. Okay, so you click on it. All right, so this is the general Exness interface. Okay, so we are creating a new account, so what you have to do is to come to register. All right, so allow it to do its thing. It's verifying whether I'm human.
Got him! Got him!
All right, so welcome to Exness. So this tab is sign in. I mean, we don't have an account already, so what you have to do is to create a new account, right? So create an account. All right, so the first thing that you need is what? Your country or region of residence. So I mean, wherever country that you are from, you choose. I'm from Ghana, so I'm going to choose Ghana, GH. All right, so Ghana there. And then the next thing that is required is your email address. Okay, all right, so let me input my email address quickly. So let me input my email address. All right, so my email address is right there. So in choosing a password, you have been given a criteria that you are supposed to fulfill. Supposed to be between 8 and 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase. I mean, these are simple stuff you can follow and then do. It's nothing much difficult. Okay, so we have that. So this part is also very important. Okay, this side is asking whether you have a partner code or not. We don't have a partner code. I mean, so you just have to skip it. All right, so you have to check this box. Very important. I declare and confirm that I am not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. Okay, so you have to check this box. Once you check the box, you click register. All right, it's loading. So now we have created our official forex account. Now when you create the account, this is the interface that you'll be getting. Okay, now this is the forex interface, the chat interface that you'll be getting. This is not what we need. Okay, we need the details of our account. So what you have to do is to go to this and then go to switch account. All right, and then you go to manage accounts. Okay, all right, so it take you to your personal area where you have your account details. Okay, the one good thing about creating an Exness forex account is that it automatically creates a demo account for you. So you can see here you have two tabs here. We have the first tab to be real, we have the second tab to be a demo account under my account. Okay, so two accounts will be automatically created for you. So by virtue of just creating an account with Exness, it has already created a demo account for you. So this is the demo account. When you come here, you can see demo here. You can see the trading platform to be MT5. You can see that it's a standard account. Just an Exness standard account, and then you have the account number right here. Okay, so your virtual funds that you have been giving for the demo accounts is $10,000. Okay, so these are the details which matters most. For all these details which has to do with the actual leverage, adjust leverage and all that, it cannot affect your trading in any way. All right, so as a beginner, you don't have to worry your head around this. Maybe subsequent video I'll do a video and then try and explain what these leverages actually mean. Now the most important details that you need are this. When you come here, you can see down here, you can see server. All right, so in actual fact, when you want to trade with your demo account, what you need is the server. So the server name is called Exness MT5 trial 9. All right, and then the account number is 298345750. okay, and then your trading password will be the password that you used in creating the account. I hope that's very clear. So these are the three details that matters most when creating your Forex account. So our focus will not be on the demo account, but our focus will be on the real account. So let's switch it to real account and let's see what it has also. All right, so you can see the difference between the demo and the real. The demo has demo here. Once we switch to real, you can see real here. Yes, it's an MT5 account. It's an account which has been based on an MT5 platform. It's a standard account, and you have the same leverages and all that here. I told you not to worry your head around it because it doesn't affect your trading in any way. Now on the real account also, we have the server. The server name is Exness MT5 Real 30. All right, and then you have the login details to be 223369 and the numbers that follow. All right, and then the trading password will be the password that you use to create the account. These are the most important details that you need. Now, in order for us to start trading properly, what we need to do is to come to this top right corner called complete profile. You have to complete the profile first in order for us to deposit into our real account, which is 0.00. You have nothing there. All right, but for demo they have given you 10,000 virtual cash. All right, so for demo account you have nothing there. So in order for you to deposit into that real account means that it's an actual account that you can deposit and then withdraw. For demo, you can't do any of that. You can use demo account to practice on your trading strategy that you have learned newly, and then learn how to place trades and all that as a beginner. That is what you can use the demo accounts for. But for real account, you mean real business. You understand? All right, so that is why it has 0.00. Exness is not going to dash you money.
Got him! Got him!
All right, so I told you that the next important thing to do after we have all these details, in order for you to deposit and actually start withdrawing, Exness need to verify your account. So what you have to do is to come to complete profile. All right, so it will tell you a list of things to do. So verify your contact details. All right, they are very important. They have to get to know who you are, and what your intentions are, whether you are not in for any dubious stuff. Okay, and then whether you're actually human. All right, so this process takes less than 5 minutes. All right, so the first one is confirm email address. All right, the second one is add profile information, and the third one is confirm phone number. All right, so let's do the first one, confirm email address. Get started now. All right, so confirm your email. So they'll send a verification code to your email address. So let's go to our email and then let's see where the code is, and then let's use it to. All right, so we have our verification number here. We just copy it and then go to this side and then paste it there, and then all right, so you can see that we have done the first one. Confirm your email address has been done. Now the second thing to do is add the profile information, so let's look at that one too. All right, so these are basic stuff that you can do on your own. Your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your country of birth. I mean, nothing difficult, basic stuff, right? So let's fill that quickly. So we are done filling out all the important information on add profile information. So all that we need to do is to click submit. All right, so it asks you what is the purpose of opening your account. You can say investment. Yes, you're good to go. What is your current employment status? I mean, whatever. You're a student, you just put student. All right. Which of the following best relate to your professional occupation? I just said I'm a student. Okay, student. Just education. Yeah. Education, just that. Please select your primary source of income. Savings, it's fine. What's your estimated total liquid wealth? What is your estimated total liquid wealth? These are basic questions you can. Not that much. I'm a student, something below 50,000. What's your annual net income? Oh God, I said I'm a student. What is anticipated annual income you're ready to invest in? Okay, let's say this one. What's your CFD trading experience with real money trading accounts during the last 3 years? Okay, let's say 10 to 40 trades. It's fine. How much time do you spend on market analysis? Let's say less than 4 hours. You have education on? Yes, of course. What will be the required margin of one lot position if your leverage is? Oh, okay. What are your plans on trading within 1 year? Become a full-time professional trader. Keep it as a procedure is okay. What trading instrument do you plan to use? Okay, Forex mostly. How do you know about Exness for the first time? Okay, friends and family. Okay. Before engaging in trading, please consider your financial situation and risk tolerance. All right, so you have to agree with all of this. I get it. All right, but if you're a beginner, you must go through. All right, so I'm done with this and this. The last one, confirm your phone number. So let's do that. I think I need not show you that. All right, so I'll just have to input my phone number here, and then they'll send me a code, and then I'll just have to do that. All right, so that would not be needed for me to do it, since it's just a demonstration. Okay, so now that you have gotten the entire details that we need for trading our accounts, and then we have done our verification, our first part of the verification that we need to do. There is another verification that we need to do, which is much more important. So what you have to do is to come to profile. All right, on the left pane you can see profile here, and then account, you can see status not verified. It needs to be verified in order for you to start actually trading. All right, so the verification steps are here. So the first one is confirm your email and phone number. All right, it is telling me to complete now because I was able to confirm the email number and I have not done the phone number yet. I mean, for demonstration purposes, you have to do it, but for me, I need not do that. It's a very simple process for you to follow. Just have to click complete now, and then I did the two. I have not done the third one, which is the confirm phone number. I've not done that one, so I need to do that one as well for me to complete it. All right, so I'll click on do it later, but for you, you have to confirm phone number. It's a very easy process for you to follow. It's not difficult. All right, so the next thing is identity verification. So wherever country that you are from, you can use your national identification card. I believe that every country has a national identification card. All right, yeah, I mean, I believe that you have it. Yes. So whatever national ID that you use in your country, you use it to do the verification. All right, so it says that provide a document verifying your name. Okay, so make sure that you do that. So all right, you click on it and then it will allow you to do it. But because I'm not done with the first one, that's why because I'm not done with the first one, the first verification, that is why it is not allowing me to do the second one. All right, and the third part of the verification has to do with the residential address verification. All right, so provide a proof of your place of residence. Okay, if you're in Ghana, for example, what you can use is your water bill, because the water bill has an address on it. You can also use your prepaid receipt. Your electricity prepaid receipt also has an address on it. For other countries, I think when you click verify now, I actually tell you the kind of document that you can use to actually verify or serve as a proof of your place of residence. Okay, if you're having any issues, just contact support. Okay, and then they'll be very, very happy to assist you. So that is that on the account. So now we have all the login details for our MT5 account. I told you that the MT5 is a trading platform. All right, so now we have all the details from the broker. We'll actually use these details to log into our MT5 account and actually start trading with it. So let's look at how that is also done. Don't forget these details, okay? Because we are not verified on the real account, we will not be able to do the deposit. So let's use the demo account, for example. All right, so these are the details you need for our login. All right, let's look at how that is done. Is to come to your MT5 account, just like I am here. So I'm here on my MT5 account, and then you click on the three dashes on the top left corner, like that. All right, so I already have an account here, so that is why it's displaying like that. Okay, I already have an account with Exness. All right, so you have to click on it. Yours, probably when you are doing it for the first time, you wouldn't have anything here, all right, for you to click on. But because I have several accounts, you just have to click on whatever accounts that is here. So you click on it, so you can see my accounts that I have here. All right, you can see the accounts that I have here. So you click on this plus icon on the top right corner. Okay, all right, yours wouldn't display all several brokers out here. Okay, so what you need to do is to come and then you search for the broker. In this case, the broker that we are using is called Exness Technologies. Because I've searched for it already, it's already here. All right, so you search for Exness Technologies Limited. All right, make sure it is as it is here. All right, Exness Technologies Limited, nothing different. Okay, so Exness Technologies Limited, you click on it. All right, so now there is an option here, open a real account. Although we are not opening a real account in Exness, their demo account falls under real account. It's perceived as if we are using a real account. That is how it is for Exness. Okay, so don't worry your head too much about it. So here, what are we looking for? The login. So the login details that we saved. Okay, Oh, all right. So let me punch the numbers. 2, 9, 8, 3, 4, 5, 750. Okay, and then the password. Okay, and then the server. What is the name of the server? The name of the server is Exness MT5 trial 9. That is not what is here, so we have to change it. So click on it. Okay, I think the trials are for the demo account. Okay, the trials are for the demo account. So go down. So try what? Trial 9. Trial 9. Okay, that's the last one here. Exness MT5 trial now. Okay, so you select it. Okay. All right, so everything is set. We have our login details, you have our password, you have our server set, and then you just have to press login. Okay, so you are here, correct? So we have been able to log into our demo account. Okay, so you can see the balance here. The demo account, remember, had a balance of $10,000, so you can have the balance here. All right, the charts. You can also have an instrument that you are trading here. Okay. All right, these are not the instrument that we'll be trading though. We just have to adjust it. I'll create a subsequent video on MT5 and how to maneuver the whole thing. But the most important thing is we having been able to log into our demo account now. It means that we can actually trade since we have the balance right here. Once you see the balance reflecting on the account like this, it means that you have been able to log in. So congratulations, you have been able to create our first demo account. It's the same process for the real account as well. Okay, the same process. You just have to go for the details of the real account and then just log in with it. It's the same thing. Okay, all right. So now that we have been able to log in successfully into our demo account, we are very happy with that. So the next thing for us to do is to start trading with real money. So with that one, you have to go to the real account. All right, so I told you earlier on that in order for us to start trading on our real account, we have to check these boxes. Okay, we have to make sure that we are verified, and these are the verification steps. The first one has to do with confirm email and then phone number. The second one is identity verification. The third one is residential address verification. If you're able to do all these three, we will be verified. So this part will tend to verified. Then we will be able to deposit money into our account and start trading with it. And then when you come to the left pane right here, where you have the deposits right here, all right, so you can see a wide array of deposit options that you can use to deposit money into your account and start trading with it. So you can have Binance Pay, mobile money, which is very, very beneficial if you're from Africa. You can also use the bank card, Bitcoin, Netella, Ethereum, Skrill, a whole lot of depositing options that you can have access to. So all that you need is to get verified. So once you get verified and deposit money into your real account, then you come and then use these details just as we used in the demo account, and then log in to your MT5 account and then start trading. If I say these details, I mean the server name Exness MT5030, the MT5 login number, and then the password that you used to create the account. It is very simple and easy as it is. I believe that you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this that explain things about Forex in depth. And then don't forget to like the video as well. If there's any issue, if there is something that you don't understand, make sure you can type it in the comment box so that we can get interactive about it. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate all of you.